It's not even cute. Like, it's not even sexy. It's like, what are you doing to me?
Well, that's what people do.
People don't know how to be.
So I did a couples massage class, me and Loren, like it was like 2 years ago, and we gave everybody a candle. It was soy though. I said, hey, just show us how you would do your partner in the room. And this is just basically a test for the men, just to see where their head's at.
Most of them have no idea.
Exactly. And most of them will say, oh, I don't need this. We've had people actually say that in the
But
fucking
they're
workshop.
usually the ones that need it the most.
And that's why we do that test, just to show like, oh, I'm gonna see, we're gonna test these motherfuckers, see if they really know what the fuck they
No, most of the time they don't.
Not at all.
I'm hip to all that though. Yeah, I already know. Most of the, honestly, anything that I've done like exploratory with men, I have to be like, look, I'm gonna tell you how this is about to go down, because you're not about to fuck me up. I'll still hit me up fucking face. We'll be in this bitch fighting. So just listen. But that was when I was younger. So younger guys are a little more open to like, all right, I just want to have the experience. So what do we gotta do? But most of the like crazier stuff that I've done has been with women, because we already on the same page with the shit. But
that's right. It's sort of like BDSM and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, you might want to try with somebody that you trust, or
no, you have to do that stuff with somebody that you trust.
We'll go overboard.
Yeah.
And thinking it's cool too. We
think,
we know what we're doing. Like,
you gotta do that with somebody that you trust. Otherwise, like, I mean, I have a lot of like restraints and stuff like that. And the only kind of situations that I use them in, I gotta trust you. And so, look, just because I have mattress restraints on my bed does not mean that they will be out when you are here. Right. I will tuck them bitches right under the mattress. You'll never know they're there, sir. Don't get no ideas. I'm not into that shit with you.
Right.
Now her, we do all the shit. She was like, ooh, babe, we about to do some BDSM. She's like, ooh, we get a dog collar. She's like, that shit sound like fun. I was like, yeah, I'll let you put a dog collar on me. You can beat me and shit. Whatever you want to do. She's like, hell yeah. And she's like, I'm about to be sticking everything up your butt. I was like, girl, I ain't no white girl. I was like, you can stick some shit up my butt. I was like, no, everything though. What the fuck? I said, yo, crazy ass. She's like, I'm just playing. I was like, no, you're not. You fucking crazy. She's like, you with the shits. I'm like, yeah, I'm with the shits. Whatever you want to do, babe.
Because you trust, you know what I mean? Like, you know that she got your back.
Oh, hell yeah.
But shit, I'm like, from the opposite end thinking, like, wait a minute.
No, most niggas I don't have that level of trust for. I wouldn't even, I've done some, I mean, when I got most of my, like, restraints and stuff, I wasn't talking to girls at all. So, obviously, I have had people that I've trusted to do some of that stuff with, but, we were in, like, serious relationships for a break. You feel that shit in my shoulder?
It's popping and moving, okay, stretch it out a little bit.
Hoping the knots aren't as bad as the last time.
Did you watch the Grammys? I don't think I've ever watched a Grammy show.
I haven't ever.
Not once. And people make such a big deal. Black people especially. Oh, I didn't win a Grammy. I'm like, so why do you go every year then? Why is it so important to us? I mean, I understand.
It's not to me.
Me neither. Me neither. It never has. Me and my family, we don't watch them. I mean, I would like to watch it just for the show, you know, the clothing. But that's the shit way before even the Grammys, you know, the red carpet event.
Red carpet event.
And I'm like, I'm either working or I don't even know what I'm doing around there.
The only time I've gotten a glimpse is if I'm like talking to somebody who just likes that kind of stuff. I have it on, or one of my friends is, you know. But I've never actually sat down and actually watched it.
Gotcha.
I could care less. As we said it, he just said. But it makes sense for them because it's their field, so I can understand that. But regular people, you ain't even in the entertainment industry. Why you care about this shit?
Not at all. And you're very flexible.
Alright.
Yeah, most people can't go this far at all. I know I can't.
Wait till we do the couples thing, because she's way more flexible than me. Yeah, like, what the hell?
No, you're doing great. See, here in the chicken wing, this hurts me. I have to have somebody pull my arm up like this, then I'm comfortable. But going down, like, ow, it hurt. Like, I'm in flight. Like, it's so bad. But in the military, we had to be at parade rest all the time. It was nothing. Like, wow, when I sit at parade rest right now, my whole chest hurts.
Yeah.
I'm out of shape, you know?
Yeah, I'm like, some of the stuff I used to be able to do, like, if I had to do that, like, grand curtsy shit I had to do when I was a debutante, there's no way I'd be able to go all the way down and get back up. I recognize that my legs are not what they used to be. I'm like, what, with a straight back, keep your arms a certain way, you gotta go all the way down, get all the way back up. Like, bro, I don't be doing this stripper shit. You want me to go all the way to the crisscross applesauce and stand up, like, gracefully in one swoop? Like, yeah, no, my legs ain't built like that no more. What did she say? She was like, babe, she was like, when I first started dancing, she was like, this old lady, she's like, she told me how to shake my ass, right? She was like, get in the bathtub, put some stilettos on, and clap your heels together. She's like, and your ass gonna shake automatically. I was like, babe, I'm not doing that shit. What the fuck? I'm not doing that shit right now. She's like, what? No, do it. And you can tell me about it. I'm like, I said, I already know you're gonna make me do it in person anyway, so I'll just wait. I'm like, I'm not doing that shit right now. The fuck? So I can give you a report about how it went. I can't see how it went. It's just me here. Like, the hell? She funny as shit. You feel that knot right there?
Definitely trying to loosen up before we get into it.
It's not as bad as the last time, though.
Just a little bit. I think we're gonna work it out. Is that Queen Naja? All right. Little shorts and stuff. She's showing it off. You know she do. Queen Naja, all right. She like Malaysian or something.
I think so.